Hey, I'm Focus, the not-so-handy dad, and today we're looking at an important tool in your toolkit, the soldering iron. Soldering is the process of connecting two pieces of metal by melting a third, called solder, to create a bond. This process is intricate and takes place in a very small space. So, our question is a cheap soldering iron from China sufficient to melt the solder and create that bond that we're looking for? Alright, so the cheapo soldering iron from China, not really what you need. If you really want to do it, spend the extra 20 bucks and get a good soldering iron because it's going to make everything else a lot easier. In our first clip, we attempted to solder directly onto a circuit board, but as you can see here, it wasn't working. As you can see, the iron is melting the solder, but it's sticking directly to the iron. A good iron will be hot enough to melt the material, and then it will roll right off to create the bond that you're looking for. So this soldering iron is trash. The only good thing I can say about it is that it came with a stand, which I'm going to use with my next better iron.